All that and more coming up here on The Morning Jolt. What's up, guys? Mark back here with another video, and everything's pretty much over now. All the things that we were waiting for, hoping for. Some things were just absolutely off the hook amazing, and then other things were just like, why, God, why? So I'm going to speak from a YouTuber slash video content creator's perspective, okay? I have said it several different times that we've got plenty of awesome cameras, and I'm really excited about all the new ones so that maybe we'll have some real stiff competition to push that industry forward. But for the love of God, please, will somebody give me a 4K flippy screen camera? Canon had the perfect opportunity to seriously just dominate. They had the perfect opportunity to dominate. I mean, technically, they do have 4K flippy screen camera. Massive crop. Crop this. Crop that. Slish slash. Let's cut the resolution so hardcore that it doesn't even matter that it's a full frame. The ever elusive Flippy 4K screen camera. Where is that at? Where are you? Photokina had every camera company on the entire planet, and no one went, you know what we could really come out with this year is a 4K flippy screen. Now, to some of you all, I mean, it just sounds like absolute crap that some of us, especially us YouTubers, would just constantly harp on this flippy 4K screen bandwagon, but you all don't realize that that is so amazing and essential for our workflow that we would be willing to pay untold amounts of money to get that camera. You know, to have one that takes really good pictures and also does 4K so that we can up our resolution game here on the YouTubes without having to buy an external monitor, because who wants to drag around yet another piece of gear out into the vlogging world? Everyone would look at you like you're a flippin' idiot. So Canon really did have the best chance. They had the best opportunity. They don't even, I think that they realized just how close. At the same time, I don't think that they ever really wanted to give it to anybody. And I don't understand why. Canon already has, for the vast majority of the photographic market, complete and total dominance. The vast majority of people shooting photographs today are still shooting them on Canon cameras. Panasonic, seriously, you had a real good shot yourself. You had the S1 and the S1R. The S1 would have been a perfect candidate to have a front flipping screen. All you had to do was just put a full frame sensor in the GH5's body and keep that flippy screen, and we would have had it. It would have been right there. I mean, you're already, most of you are already buying your sensors from Sony. Just take whatever you got, buy a bigger screen or buy a bigger sensor, give us that flippy screen. Just flip that thing right towards us. The YouTube community would lose their minds. But here I am, stuck in the 18th century with this 1080p shit. Granted, I think it looks pretty damn good for 1080p, but it's not like a down res. They didn't do like full sensor readout and then give us like some extra resolution, kind of like Fujifilm does, kind of like Sony does. That would have been even more awesome. I would have probably not say anything, really. I probably wouldn't be sitting here making this video had they had a down-res image on this camera. But they don't. It's just a straight 1080p readout, so things are not nearly as sharp as I know that they could have been. The benefits to us as people that do vlogs or do YouTube videos, which generates a lot of income for not only YouTube, but for ourselves, but for camera companies, camera store companies. We make a lot of money for other businesses just by sitting here talking our bullshit every single day. I mean, it is a $1 billion business to do what we do. Yet no one, not a single solitary camera company, has been willing to give it to us yet. Sony, here's my wallet, brother. This is my wallet, and it is full of cash. Well, not cash, but full of plastic that has digital numbers on it that I'm willing to give you. If you would just make this godforsaken camera, where's it at? I'll give you money if you give me camera with 4K flippy screen. That's all I want. I just want flippy screen in 4K. I am so adamant about 4K flippy screen because it is so vital to my business, right? That is the reason why I bought a Canon M50 to begin with. That's the reason I picked up a Fujifilm X-T100 to begin with. Because, first of all, the Fujifilm, I knew that they were going to do pretty good, I guess, because they already do a downsampling of like 6K into 4K. But when you are like self-recording with their app so that you can see yourself, I know you guys think that that's enough, but it's not. This portion sucks. We don't want to, swap our Wi-Fi over to the, to the camera. Let's find the camera's really shitty Wi-Fi and then go ahead and open up the lackluster, less than great app, and then let's just, it's only 720p. God damn! You know why? Because none of them are YouTubers. None of them know our pain. None of them know our trials and tribulations. I mean, we do got some trials and tribulations for real. We got trials and tribulations. Oh, God. Ooh, I think that coffee's working on me. Hold up. And we're back. Okay, so look, there were a lot of opportunities from a lot of different camera companies this year. I mean, this was Photokina 2018. This is literally the year 2018. Can we please, on a, real talk here, real talk, 4K flippy screen? I mean, I appreciate this 1080p. I mean, I wouldn't have spent $700 on this camera if I didn't think that it had some value. But for just a few $1,000s more, just a few thousand, Canon, you could build this screen. I know you could build this screen with that 4K with no crop. I know you could do it, Canon. I know you can, but you won't. And that's why I honestly cannot give you no more money. I mean, why would I want to relegate myself to this M mount? Am I not telling the truth? Like, this mount is disjointed. Like, you all have like 3 mounts now. There's literally no upgrade path for me with this. I mean, I have to buy an adapter in order to get access to other glass. I've got Sony cameras that I'm still holding on to glass for just in case. Just in case you guys decide to make us that perfect, that juicy, that delicious, that oh so goody gumdrops camera. I will buy it. Hell, I might even buy 2. Panasonic, man, you had an opportunity. You really did, but I can't trust your all's autofocusing system. I want to like y'all like real bad, but oh my God, as a one-man team, I just can't trust you to keep this ugly mug in focus. So here's what I want to do. Here is what I want to do. I want to take a poll. I want you all to do, like, seriously, I'm going to take a poll. I want you all to do like this in your comment. I know y'all got emojis. I want y'all to go, yes, that's the kind of camera I want. For the love of shit, this is the kind of camera I want. Or, nah, I'm not really all that worried about it. I'm cool. Thanks a lot, though, bro. Do that for me. Will y'all please do that for me? That's all I'm asking. Don't click on, y'all ain't even got to click on no affiliate links today. All I want is for you all to help a brother out and just go either thumbs up or thumbs down. Not on this video. We're only going to do thumbs ups on this video, but down in the comments, give me a little thumbs up or a thumbs down, and please tell me whether you actually want this. Am I the only one? I know I'm not the only one. I just want to see to what ratio. Out of 100%, what ratio of people are like me? I want to know that I've got a 4K flippy screen community that will rally around me if we decide to put the pressure on. I mean, I am begging some camera company to step up to the flipping plate and give me what I want. I will be happy. I will be so happy for like tens of minutes until the next thing comes out. No, but I mean, dead serious. That's all I want. I mean, and I'll be able to die a happy YouTubing man. 4K will carry me into the future for at least the next 5 years. Until they start hyping up 8K, then holy shit, I'm going to have to upgrade all my things. Oh, I don't even want to think about it. It makes my flipping butthole hurt. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you all today. I just needed to really get that out, and I want you all to vote, please. Pretty please. I beg y'all. I really want you all to help me out. I want to know what percentage of you all actually give a crap about a 4K flippy screen style camera. Is that something that you're interested in? To be honest, it is so important for me. I don't know what amount I would be willing to pay for that, but I mean, it would be worth it because I would hang on to that camera for a long time. All right, guys, so I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. That's all I've got for you all today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do the thumbs up, do the thumbs down, do the shit down in the comments. Please vote. At any rate, thanks so much for stopping here on another Morning Jolt episode on the Photo Video Show. I'm your host, Mark Puck, and I'm going to see you guys again on the next one. Peace. Yeah.